14 foods to avoid that increase uric acid levels in the body. What is uric acid? Uric acid is a naturally occurring waste product that forms when the body breaks down purines. While uric acid is essential for certain bodily functions, excessive levels can lead to health issues like gout and kidney stones. Here is a list of foods that must be avoided during increased uric acid levels. What is purine? Many of you might be wondering what purine is. Well, it is a naturally occurring compound that's found in various foods and body tissues and plays a crucial role in the synthesis of DNA, RNA, and energy molecules like ATP. Number 1 is liver and kidney, high in purines. Organ meats like kidney and liver contribute significantly to uric acid production when metabolized by the body. Number 2 is red meat. Red meat contains substantial amounts of purines, promoting the production of uric acid. Number 3 is seafood. Certain types of seafood, such as sardines and anchovies, are rich in purines, leading to elevated uric acid levels. Number 4 is shellfish. If you love to eat shrimps, crabs, and lobster, then you will certainly have to drop the idea of consuming them, as they also contain high levels of purines, which can contribute to uric acid buildup. Number 5 is alcoholic beverages. When it comes to alcoholic beverages, beer is particularly detrimental as it not only contains purines, but also inhibits the excretion of uric acid, resulting in heightened levels. Number 6 is sugary drinks. Most sugary drinks are loaded with fructose, which increases uric acid production when metabolized in the liver. Number 7 is high fructose fruits. You might be surprised to hear this, but sweet fruits, dry fruits, and canned fruits are rich in fructose that contributes to increased uric acid levels when consumed in excess. Number 8 is high purine vegetables. While most vegetables are safe, but veggies like asparagus, spinach, cauliflower, mushrooms, and peas are said to have high purine, which can elevate uric acid levels. Number 9 is yeast-based foods. Yeast is known to increase purine levels in the body, potentially leading to elevated uric acid. That's why it's best to avoid foods such as beer, bread, and certain baked goods. Number 10 is processed foods. Processed foods contain unhealthy fats, added sugar, and preservatives, which may indirectly impact uric acid levels. Number 11 is high-fat dairy products. While dairy products are generally considered beneficial for health, high-fat dairy items like whole milk and full-of-fat cheese can contribute to higher uric acid levels. Choose low-fat or skim dairy products as part of a balanced diet. Number 12 is high-sodium foods. A high-sodium diet can reduce the excretion of uric acid by the kidneys, which can lead to higher levels in the body. Number 13 is refined foods. Refined foods like white bread, pasta, white rice can promote inflammation in the body that potentially impacts the uric acid levels in the body. Number 14 is excessive coffee. While moderate coffee consumption is considered safe by experts, but excessive caffeine intake may lead to a slight increase in uric acid levels, which can harm the body.